Hello friends, if your phone screen is flickering, blinking or shaking, this is a common problem and in most cases it can be fixed easily without going to a repair shop. Screen flickering usually happens because of auto brightness problem, software bug, high animations or sometimes hardware damage. Now let me show you simple step to fix it. Step 1. Turn off auto brightness. First step is very important. Step 2. Reduce screen animations. Now go to settings, then developer options and find window animation scale. Set them to 0.5x or off. Heavy animations can also cause screen flickering. Step 3. Next step, check your phone update. Go to setting, software update. If any update is available, install it. If the problem is still poses, then it is hardware problem. In this case, screen replacement is the only solution.